Yesterday we did this. Okay. And now today we are going to do the very important part, which is finding the missing values. Okay. So it is like, for example, over here, this is the question. Suppose this is the formula. So first of all, what you will do, you will write hashtag finding the missing value and you will write this formula. Okay. Then I'll explain you what this formula stands for. Girls done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this is the formula basically. So over here, see, the question is, suppose mean of 5 series, like 5 items is 30. So that means this 5 item is your n, right? N is given to you. Oh, wait a minute. I have some issues with my writing pad. It's too messy. Okay, so let's just start. So over here, what is given in the question? What is given? They have given you that, okay, this is your table, okay, and over there they have mentioned that there are 5 numbers, right? 5 items. So that means they have given you n, right? N is given to you, and they are saying, suppose the mean of series of 5 items is 30, right? So this is your mean. Mean is represented by this, okay. 4 values are, this is your x1, this is your x2, this is your x3, and this is your x4. Okay, you have to find the 5th one. Clear? So over here, this is given x, this is given, mean is given x1, x2, x3, x4. You have to find x5, and n is also given. So can you find x5 from here? Yes, no? No? Okay, let's just see how you are going to do. See, this is a question. So this is given, x bar is your 30, right? What is your x1? Your x1 is 10 plus 15 plus 30 plus 35 plus, you don't know the 5th value, so x5, right? Divided by, what is your n? It is 5, right? So now
Yes, ma'am.
this is x5, right? So I think you can find this. You will first add all this, whatever answer you got. For example, you got 100, right? So 100 plus x5 divided by 5. This 5 is in division, so this 5 will go here in multiplication, right? Then whatever answer you will get, you will, this is in plus, so this, you will subtract that number and you will get x5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so quickly solve it and then tell me what you got. Okay, Sayed, as you joined late, so basically this is the formula for to find the missing value. For example, over here I gave you everything and one value is missing, first, second, third, it can be anything, right? So you will be using this formula. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can quickly solve this. This is what over here. Suppose mean of 5 items. 5 items mean n is 30. Mean is given. 4 values are given. You have to find the fifth one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, girls, you are also done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you got? You got 60?
Yes,
No?
ma'am.
Okay, girls, you also got 60?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is what? There is one away. Like, is this chapter done in your chapter, students? This chapter is done in your schools or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
It's done
ma'am.
for me.
Okay.
For
So
from
Syed,
me,
like,
ma'am, it's not done.
okay. So they taught you weighted arithmetic mean as well.
No, ma'am. They didn't taught.
Okay, yeah, because I think that's related. But let's just discuss it. Okay, it's very simple. Just write the formula in case in future they ask you or something. Weighted arithmetic is nothing. Over there, instead of F, you will get the weight. Okay, so you will make a table over here which will be X and W. You will multiply this X and W and u. So let's just solve this, and then we will be done with this chapter. Okay, so you can just write the heading, just put a heading weighted arithmetic mean, and then write the formula. Weighted arithmetic mean, and then write this formula. Okay, and after this, solve this and tell me what is your answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so let's just take the answer 70.04.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, that's it for this chapter. Okay, sometimes it's combined arithmetic mean. So that means over here they'll be giving you few questions where you have to add it. So it's nothing like that. You have to add, for example, this is the question. Okay, it's combined arithmetic mean. So over here they have told you 60 students of section A of class 11 obtained 40 mean. Okay, and 40 students of section B obtained 35 mean. So over here they have given for section A the mean is 40, and for section B the mean is 35. Okay, and number is this 60 and 40, right? So over here, like section A, you have to find the combined mean. You don't have to find the individual mean. You have to find the combined mean. So at that time, what you will do? This is the formula. Mean and multiply by number. So this 40 multiply by your number. And similarly, this is the mean multiply by number. You will multiply it and then you will add it. Okay. And over here, you will add the numbers. So it is 60 and 40. Right? Can you do this?
Okay, ma'am.
Didn't get it or you got it?
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just write combine arithmetic mean. And after that, write this formula. Okay, which is like, it depends. For example, if you have two numbers, so it will be like 2 only. But if you have 3, so it will be mean of third value divided by number of third value. If you have 4 things, then mean of fourth one, multiply by number, like fourth number, like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay. So let's just check what you got. You got 38? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Other?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now basically it's a addition subtraction. It's not a part of this, right? So you don't need to have to do this thing. These are the examples basically. Yeah, demerits and merits also you don't have to do it. Okay. So basically we are done with the mean. Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do the median. Okay. So quickly revise all the formulas. Okay. Others. Hania don't have any formulas with you. So Hania, here are the formulas. You can take screenshot of this and this will help you a lot. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So and plus you have to watch the recording. I told you na. Just ask them to share the recording of Friday, previous Friday.
Call them, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. They shared it with you. No.
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, remind them again because today is an off for operation. So
Okay,
remind
ma'am.
them again by
Sure,
tomorrow.
ma'am, I will do that.
Okay. Or in case if they don't know, just text me. I'll just ask them to share.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So basically we have three series: individual, discrete, and frequency. So in individual, you have two methods: direct method and shortcut method. And discrete, we have direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation. And frequency again direct, shortcut, and step deviation. So these are the formulas. When you will watch the recording, this is very important. On the very first page, you will draw this because if you don't know the formula, if you know the steps, it's of no use, right? Because formula is the first step. So if you don't know the formula, it's of no use. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can revise it from here. You can read it from here. Others you can read it from your notebook. And then we'll start with the meeting. Okay, students done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, so let's just do the next part, which is basically this median. Okay, median is basically not today. We'll just finish it today only. Okay, if not today, then we'll try to do it tomorrow. Okay, now measures of central tendency, like we'll be doing median, then we'll be doing the mode. Okay, so over here, this is the thing which you have to remember. It's the positional average. Okay, so in positional average, you have median, you have partition value and the mode. Okay, the partition value is not in part of your thing. Quartile, decile and percentile. I don't think, so yeah, like your teachers taught you this quartile, percentile and all that.
No, ma'am, she didn't.
Yeah, so basically this is not a part. We have to only do median and mode. Okay, so let's just start with median. What is median basically? So you will just write chapter median and then you will write median is a centrally located value of a series such that half of the values of the series are above it and half of the series are below it. This is what you can see, right? Over here, two values are above and two values are down, and the middle one, that's why it is median, right? So you will put chapter median and then you will write hashtag median. This is the full, you will write. This is the definition of median. Quickly write it down, then we'll start with the numeric.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after this, we have to do this. How to find out median. Okay. So let's just first draw the table as the formulas table, and after that you'll we'll do it one by one. Okay. So wait a minute. Let me just find the table for you people. Estimated. I don't think they have given any table. Let's just check. In case if they haven't given, then we'll do one by one. Okay. I don't think they have given, so we'll be doing one by one. Okay. So let's just do. So first of all, it's like what over here again you have different types of series. Okay. Everyone knows you have individual series, you have discrete series, and you have continuous series. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, we will be doing the this one calculation of median for different types of series. So we'll be doing the individual series. Okay. This is the formula for this. This is basically the median value. Okay. M equals to size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. Okay. So over here in individual series, how to do it? Listen to it very carefully, students, because it's not straightforward. It's not like you will just put the value and you will get the answer. You have to think about so many things, right? So individual series is basically like over here, only one table will be there, right? So first of all, how you are going to do? So for example, over here you are getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 like this. First of all, you will arrange it either in the ascending order or the descending order. Okay. And after that, what you are going to do, add the numbers of the item indicating the n. Find out the median item. This is basically how you are going to find the median item. This. M equals to size of n is basically the number plus 1 4th item. Okay. And after this, you will find this, the median one like this. And now easily you can just put it in the value and you will get the answer. Okay.
So, ma'am, n is equals to the number of numbers.
Yes, the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it will be. The numbers. Okay.
Okay,
And is
ma'am.
number of item. How many numbers you have? You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, like this. Okay. And M is basically how you will find medium. Over here, what students do basically, for example, they will solve this. Okay. They will get an answer. And they consider that is the answer. But no, students, this is not the answer. Let's just check it by this. Okay. But over here, you have to remember one thing. You have two chances. For example, the N is odd. The N can be even and N can be odd. Okay. So accordingly, you will be doing the things. Okay. So if it is even, then you will put N plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. And if it is odd, then you are going to put it like this. Clear? So let's just solve it one by one and then you will get the answer. Okay. For example, this one. Right? This is given. So first thing, what you will do, either you will arrange it in ascending order or in the descending order. Okay. After this, you have to put this formula. So your N is 11. Right? This is odd. Right? So you will put this formula. N plus 1 divided by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But in case if it is even, then you are going to put this one. Okay. Yes, no.
Ma'am, both the formulas are same.
See, over here, what they have said, see, for example, you are following the odd one, then you are going to use this one. Right? So it's like, see, if N of the series happens to be even, N plus 1 will come in the fraction. Okay, because if, for example, if it is even, it is 10. So 10 plus 1 will be 11. 11 divided by 2 will come into points, right? So at that time, you will not use it. What you are going to do, you are going to use this one. Size of the second item and the third item divided by 2.
Okay,
Clear?
ma'am, got it.
For example, you got 12.5. Okay, 12.5 is basically in between 12 and 13. Right? So what you are going to do, you are going to take 12th value as well as the 13th value and then you are going to divide it with 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Others, is it clear? Because this is very important. See, for example, if it is odd, it is 9. So if you will put this in formula 9 plus 1 divided by 2. So it's very easy. 10 divided by 2, you got 5. But for example, if it is even, it is 10. So now you will put this formula, it will be 10 plus 1 divided by 2. So you got 11 upon 2. When you will solve this, what you are going to get? You are going to get 5.5. Now this 5.5, you have a confusion, ma'am, where to take. So what you will do? 5 and 6. Fifth value and sixth value. You will add the values, whatever it is, divided by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Because it's not possible to allot 5.5, right? Because it is in between. So you will take upper one and the lower one and then you will divide it with 2. Now most of the student, what they basically do, over here, it was very easy. You got the even number, right? So it was very easy. N plus 1 divided by 2, you got this. Your answer is 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 2. So what you got? It is 12 divided by 2. So you got 6. Right? So now most of the student, what they think this 6 is their median. Right? But no, this is not your median. See, read the formula. Size of n plus 1 divided by 2, third item. Right? So for example, when you solve this, you got sixth item. So over here, you have to check where is the sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So your median is this 21. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
So it's not like, for example, whatever you are solving it, that is the third item. It can be 9th, it can be 10th, it can be 11th, anything. So 11 is not your answer. Okay. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so now I hope you all got it, how to do this, right? So first of all, you will write calculation of median in individual series. Calculation of median in individual series. Then you will write this. Arrange the items in ascending and descending. Then you will write this. right? This one. So you will write, if it is odd, you will follow this, n plus 1 divided by 2th item, right? But if it is even, right, then you are going to use this. Size of nth item plus size of the nth item divided by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So you will write like this. Size of n upon 2th item and size of n upon 2 plus 1th item divided by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't get confused, ma'am, what is n upon 2, right? For example, your n was 10, right? So it is a even. So it is 10 upon 2, 5, right? And here n upon 2, which is 5 plus 1, 6. So 5th and 6th one. Okay.
I'm done.
Okay. I hope everyone is done, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
You have wrote both the formulas, right? For odd as well as, okay, you have not written the formula for even, right? Different type of poly.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now this you already know, so no use to do this. You will be doing this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is 15. You will do this one and tell me what is your answer. I hope you can see this. Right? You have to find the median. So this is individual series. Again, you have the formula, but check it whether it is odd, even, and then put the formula and get the answer. And tell me what is your answer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Over here, arranging is very much important. Like you have to arrange it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this in the ascending or the descending.
And we have to arrange it.
Yes, just check it. I think this is arranged.
It's already arranged.
Yeah, it's already arranged. But write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like the serial number.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, girls, you are also done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what you got? You got 23,
Yes, ma'am. Second
right?
one.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, now we'll be doing the discrete series. Okay. Over here again, you have everything the same one, right? This is the formula you have to follow every time. This one, size of n plus 1, but it depends on the number as well, right? So let's just do the discrete one over here. So first of all, again over here you have to arrange it either in ascending or in descending. Okay. Then you have to convert the simple frequencies of a series into cumulative frequency. You people know what is cumulative frequency, right? You are going to
Yes, ma'am.
add it. In the previous class, we did CF, right? So that CF is very much important. I'll just tell you how to do that. Then you have to determine this n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. And then n being equals to this. Over here, you don't have x. So you don't have numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will consider this n, which will be equal to summation of f. Okay, because you have over here you have only f, right? So you don't have any number over here, right? So you will consider it equals to summation of f, and then you will put it in the formula and you will get the answer. Okay, this n is basically the summation of f. Clear? So let's just see. First of all, you have to arrange it, right? So you can see, so you will 2, 3, it's already, it's not arranged, right? So 2, 3, 8, 10, 12, 16, then again 10. So you will put it like this. 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this, and 2, 3, 10, 12 like this. This frequency will remain same, but you have to only arrange this. Okay, but over here you can see it is already arranged. So you don't need to do that. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. Got it, students? For example, over here it is 8 and 7, right? So at that time 7 you will put here, and along with this you will also change this. Okay, but here luckily it is arranged, so you don't need to arrange. Okay, so then you are going to find the cumulative frequency, which is CF, and CF is basically the addition. 2 first will remain same, then 2 plus 3, whatever you got, then this 5 plus 8, like it is like zigzags. 2 and 2 plus 3, whatever you will write here, and whatever number you got, you will add this 8, you will get your answer here. Then you will add 10, you will get your answer here. Then you will add your 12, you will get your answer here, like this. Okay, and
Okay,
then
ma'am.
you will put this in formula, which is n plus 1 divided by 2, and whatever you got, you will tell me the answer. Clear? So first of all,
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
write discrete series. Okay, then write arrange ascending descending. Just write in short, arrange ascending descending, then convert into simple frequency. Sorry, convert the, just write calculate CF. Okay, then third, right, determine n plus 1 divided by 2. That's it. And over here just write determine the n plus 1 tooth item of the series, and n being equals to summation of f. This is very important line. Okay, because over here what student do, they just calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So they consider 10 as a n, but no, this is discrete series. So over here summation of f, which is this, when you will add all this, whatever number you will be getting, that will be your n. Is it fine with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
girls, I hope you are getting it right.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now quickly write it. Discrete like calculation of median in discrete series and frequency array, or just write discrete series and frequency array, and then write arrange this second and third one. Okay, once you are done, let me know, then I'll show you the question.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so now I'm just showing you the question. This question. Quickly solve it and then tell me what is your answer.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, girls, you are also done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just check your answer. I hope you got 38th item, and 38th item was basically the 7th one,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So over here, what was the 38th? This one. 38th, it was not mentioned over here. So of course, you will always take the higher one. Okay. So from this, you have to check, right? So 38 over here, can you find 38? No, ma'am. I can find 35 and 51. So always take the highest one. So this 51 and this will be your mean. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
As I told you, most of the students, what they think, you got 38. So they will consider that, okay, ma'am, 38 is my answer. No, 38 is not given. So you will take 51 and then you have to check the value. So it is 7. So this is 7 is your median. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now coming to the next one, which is basically this distribution series, which is also known as continuous series. So in this, what you have to do, first of all, arrange, right? Then again, you have to convert it into cumulative frequency. Then you have to find this n upon tooth item. Okay. And then you have this formula. First of all, you will find this. Okay. Because of this, you will get a class. Okay. And then you will put this in formula and you'll get the answer. So first of all, you have to understand what is all this. So first of all, you will write frequency distribution series. Right. First step, arrange ascending, descending. Second, calculate CF. Don't write the entire thing, just write in short. Calculate CF. And third, calculate n upon tooth item. And then the following, then the formula. Then write this formula. Okay. Write this and then I'll tell you what this formula is all about. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Everyone? Okay.
Yes,
So now over here, see. The question is, ma'am, what is this L1? This is lower limit of the median class. What is CF? You know, cumulative frequency. What is F? Frequency of the median class. And what is I? Size of the median class interval. So you will write this. Right now, you must be wondering, ma'am, what is this? What is that? Right? But when we will solve the question, I'll tell you what is L1, what is CF, what is F, and over here. See, this CF, you know, it is cumulative frequency, but you have to write this cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. It's not only cumulative frequency, it is basically, for example, this is the class. So you will not take CF of this, you will take the preceding class. This CF you will take. Everything you will take from here, but CF you will take this one. Right? So quickly write down this terms and then we'll solve the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay, so now let's just do this one. Okay, this question, let's just discuss how you are going to do. Listen to it very carefully. Okay, you got the question. You got to know that this is a continuous series. Okay, so first of all, what is the first step? Your first step is you have to calculate this n upon 2. Okay, so what will be your n? Who will tell me what will be your n?
Ma'am, n the number of items.
So what will be over here? What will be your n?
5.
Oh, what I told you in the previous one, n is equals to else. I told you n is in only individual series you take number of items. You will just calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. But whenever you are getting discrete series or the continuous series, n is equals to, just check the previous discrete series. Over there I wrote n is summation of what? Check your notes, students, and tell me. This one, read it. N being equals to what?
Okay, ma'am, equals to. Yes.
Girls, you are getting it. Only Sayed is studying.
No, ma'am, we are getting.
Okay, so what is n? N is basically summation of f, right? So summation of f over here. First of all, you will calculate this summation of, because this is your f. So you will calculate summation of f, and then you will put n, like summation of f divided by 2. Okay, which will be n upon 2. Calculate it and then tell me what is your answer. Then I'll tell you how to do that.
Ma'am, this question.
Yes.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, done. So what you got, Sayed? Like girls, what you got? What is your n upon 2? Tell me. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me what is your n? You calculated this n? Like summation of f? No? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me what was that?
I got 161.
Okay. Others? Now, Sayed, 161 divided by 2, what you are getting it? Tell me.
80.5.
Yes. So 80.5 is basically your answer is, right? So of course you will be taking this one. 80 you cannot take here, right? You will be taking it here. Yes?
So we'll add 60 plus 106.
No. This n upon 2 is basically just to find a class. Okay? So over here you got this class. This one is your class now. Okay?
Okay,
This
ma'am.
one. You don't have to bother about any other thing. This is your class. Now from here you have the formula. This one. So from this you will be finding everything. This one will be your L1. This one will be your F. And you know CF. When we were doing this, I told you cumulative frequency is basically the class preceding the median class. So for example, this is the median class. So you will not take this CF. You will take the preceding one, the above one, which is this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. So now you have F, you have L1, you have CF. Right? What is missing? This I is missing. Okay. I is basically the gap here. So what is the gap between this? 10. Right? 0 to 10, 10 to 20. The gap is 10. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
everything. You have n. N upon 2 you already solved it. So instead of writing over here, you will simply write the word which you got. N upon 2 is 80.5. So you will write 80.5 here. Okay. And then put it in this formula, everything, and tell me the answer. I want answer from everyone, even from girls and from Syed as well. Okay, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now you have everything. You have F, you have L1, you have CF, plus you have I. I is 10. Right? Put it in the formula, this formula, and tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Okay, so only Syed is here. So Syed, what you got?
Ma'am, I think I didn't got the correct answer because in the division I did some wrong.
Okay, so correct it now. Check it again. Okay, then I'll tell you the simple way to solve it. Okay, just
Okay,
do it
ma'am.
on your own, then I'll tell you.
Yes, ma'am, I have done it 2 times.
Okay, so let's just check what you did. Okay, so first of all, it was 80.5 minus 60 divided by 46 multiplied by 10 and 20, right? So very first thing what you need to do over here is you will solve this. Like this 80 minus 60, right? You got 20.5, right? And 20.5, this 46. Okay, so what you can do basically, first of all, you will, like over here, you can solve this, right? You can divide it, you can multiply this one. Wait a minute. This one with 2 table, right? This you can
Okay,
do
ma'am.
46 and 10.
Cancellation.
Yeah, cancellation you can do. So it will be 5, and like this you will get something. So now once you got the single digit, right? Or you can do one thing. You can this 20.5 multiply with 10. So you got 205, right?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? You will get 205 because this will be 2050 and you will put a point. So you get 205 divided by 46, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now just solve this. These two things. Solve 20.5 and 46.
Okay, ma'am.
Divide, sorry, 205 divided by 46. Divide it and you will get 4.46, something like this. Then, like, so you have to solve this. Whatever answer you will get like this, you will just add it and you will get the answer. Just divide this 205 divided by 46 and tell me what you are getting.
I'm getting 251.
How come? 205 divided by 46.
Okay, 4 point. Yes. I did 250.
No. It's 205, na? 205, you will
Yes,
multiply with 10,
205.
so it will be 2050, right? But this point you can remove, right? And it will be 450.
4.56.
Yes, so something you are getting like this, right? 4.56, right? So now you will add this with 20, so you will get 24 point something, 56 or something, right?
I'm getting 64.5.
Uh, 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 how come? Okay, let me just do it for you. Okay. Wait. So it is 205 divided by 46. Okay. So by which table you did it? Let's just do it in like this way. Okay. 205 and 46. So what you did? Tell me. The first thing which you divided.
46. Yes.
Multiply by 4. You will get 184, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So then when you will solve this, you will get 1 and 1922. Right? This 2 1. So
21.
again you
Yes.
will put 0. So it will be point. Right? Then again you have to multiply with 4 because you will get 184 again. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So something 4 point something you are getting.
Actually,
Right?
I did 2050. That was my mistake.
No. So see, if you will put 20, see, don't get confused, Sayed, because this, if you will do calculation mistake, then all your efforts are zero, right? If you are not getting the correct answer, like whatever you did, that will be zero, right? So see, over here you got, I hope till here you are understand, like it is understandable, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will solve this. You got 20.5 divided by 46 multiplied by 10. Now multiply these two. Okay, so it is 205 multiplied by 10. So when you will solve this, what you will get? You will get 2050, right?
Yes.
So over here you have a 1 point, so you will put it here. So it will be 2.05 this, right? So
Yes.
but if you have a decimal, if you after decimal, if you have a 0, so you are going to ignore this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write 205 divided by 46, right? Or in case, for example, you take it like this only, 205.0 divided by 46. Okay, let's just take it, let's just don't ignore it. Okay, again over here you will remove this and this will come here, multiply by 10.
Yes.
Right, so again it is 2050 divided by 460. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
You
this
can
0
cut the
and 0 will
zeros.
be cancelled. Again you have 205 divided by 46. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am. Clear.
only mistake you did 0. So of course it will be something different. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I hope you got it. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So quickly correct it. Okay. Laviva, you got the calculation? Okay. You can quickly write it down, correct it, and then we'll do the next question.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So now this one, okay, you will solve it now on your own. I think they have the different question to give. Yes. Because you know, from median, they ask you from continuous series because it is complex. Other one is too simple, right? You already did in 10th class, the median chapter, the statistic in maths, right? So they usually, there are high chances, 80% chances are there that they will be asking you to find out median from this continuous series only. Okay, so now this is the question to you. Again, first of all, what you have to do, the step n upon 2. Okay, once you got n upon 2, you will get a class. It can be this, this, this. Accordingly, you will put everything according to formula and you'll get the answer. Clear? Quickly do this one. Tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Syed. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So Labiba, you will try this. Okay. Because Syed has to go for the prayer. So you will try it and try to learn it. Okay. In case you are not getting it, let me know because nobody is here. So I will explain you this again. But I want you to learn this because that will come in exam. Okay. You want me to explain it again or you are like you can do this? You are not audible. You have to type. Okay. So see, over here I will explain you the previous question. Okay. And then you will solve me this. Okay. So let's just do the previous question. This was the question you got. Okay. So whenever you are getting continuous series, the very first step is you have to find n upon 2. Okay. N upon 2th item. So it is like, for example, over here, this is the situation. Okay. So n, ma'am, what is this n? N is basically summation of f. Okay, this is your f. So this is the summation. 22 plus 38 plus 46, like this. You got this. Okay, 22. This you got 161. So it is n upon 2. Right? So 161 divided by 2. So what you got? You got 80.5. Okay. Now this 80.5, you have to find it here. See, 60 and 106. It will be somewhere in between 60 and 106. Okay. So now 60 and 106. So again, it's a problem of what to take. So always take the greater one. So you will take this one, 106 one. Okay. Because in 60, you cannot adjust 80.6. But in 106, you can adjust 80.6. Right. So this is going to be your class. This one. Okay. Why we are finding this n upon 2? Just to find a class. Okay. Accordingly, like that particular class. Okay. This is your class. With the help of all the number, you will find the things. So again, now you have this formula. Okay. So L1, n upon 2, you already know. You have to find CF and I and F. So over here, this lower one will be your L1. The above one will be, the F will be your 46. And the CF, you are not going to take this one. You are going to take the preceding one. So preceding one is your 60. Clear? So this is what your things are all about. Is it clear till here? So now what you are going to do, you are simply going to put everything over this formula. L1 plus n upon 2 minus CF divided by F multiplied by I. What is this I? I is basically the intervals. Okay. Okay. So now you will put it simply. So now first of all, over here in this question, you will first find out n upon 2. Okay. So n is, you will add all this. Okay. And then divided by 2. And then tell me which is your class. Which class you are going to take? This one, this one, this one. Okay. And in case you didn't get in, don't feel like, oh my god, what ma'am will think. If you are not getting it, I will explain it again. But try first this n upon 2. Add all this and divide it by 2 and tell me what you are getting. Okay. Okay, 399. So now divided by 2, what you are getting? Which will be n upon 2.
वो भी नहीं पसंद.
Okay, so yeah, you got 19.95 over here. Now where it will lie? It will write here, right? In 200, right? So this is your median class, right? So again, this will be your L1, this will be your F, this will be your CF, and what will be I? It will be, the gap is 10, 10, 10. So it will be I, right? And N is already given. So you have the formula, right? Put the formula, everything in formula and get the answer and tell me what you are getting. Okay.